Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we take a look at the topic on how you can empty the trash on your iPad. Now, there are a few ways how you can do it or what you may mean by that. The first one is to delete and empty the trash inside of your photos. So if you open up your photos like this, you can see that I have a couple of videos in here. So in case I select all of them like this, and tap on the trash can to delete them, it deletes them for the moment, but they are not completely done as they are still in the trash can. And if I go to the side view, I can click on the utilities right there, and there is the recently deleted. So if I tap on it, it scans my face, and now I have to do one more thing to empty the trash, which is the process. Tap on the select at the top. Then at the bottom lower right corner, there's the three dots icon. Like that, and I can click on the delete all. Confirming delete from this iPad, and now all of the videos are gone. I basically erased the trash can entirely. But this was just for the photos and videos. It is not for other things. So you might also be using some files, moving them over, deleting them and whatnot. And if this is the case, in case you want to empty the trash of different files, so just locate the Files tab at the bottom like this, and you can see that I am already inside of the recently deleted, but I might be inside of the on my iPad, where I can just browse through all of the files which I have in here and whatnot, all the things which are ready. But I can basically just hold down on one of the options and tap on the delete. It's going to be deleted, but if I move over to the sidebar, I'm going to click on it recently deleted, and here is the very specific file which I removed. So in case I again want to bring it back, I can tap on a select and either recover or delete it. These are the options at the bottom, but chances are that you want to delete it entirely, since this is going to be the thing and the theme of the video, how to erase and empty the trash on your iPad. So these are the two ways how you can view it, either in the files or inside of the photos. And basically other specific apps may have their own trash, but the ones from Apple, it's basically just these two. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and basically we can see each other in the next video as well. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.